So in this video, I'm going to show you how Suite RSI strategy, and it works for forex, crypto, it doesn't matter. Okay, so first you need Hull Suite. Okay, so it's this one by InSilico. So I use default settings. Okay, default settings don't change anything. And then you need just RSI. So it's this one, RSI. So it's this one. Okay, so the period is 10. Okay, the length is 10. And I removed this one, the MA, so change the color a bit. And then you need ATR indicator for your stop loss. So it's this one, but ATR stop loss finder by Verifit. All right, and the setting is 2. Okay, so your stop loss is 2 times ATR. All right, so so for sell you want the Hull Suite to be red. Okay, and then basically you wait for RSI. Okay, it goes up to above the 50 line. Okay, this middle line, it goes above the 50 line, and it goes back down to below 50. Okay, if you see the green, the yellow number here, so 53, and then it goes back down to 48, and the Hull Suite is red. So this is a sell. All right, this is a sell, and okay, it's this candle here, 53 and 48, this candle. All right, and your stop loss is your ATR. Okay, so it's this, that's your stop loss is, and your target is maybe 1 to 2. All right, so you got that one. So if you are using ATR, make sure you don't trade on 1 minute. Okay, just 5 minute or higher. Okay, so here we have another signal. Okay, so it's below 50, and then it goes up above 50, and it goes back down to below 50, and the Hull Suite is red. So this is a sell. All right, this candle is a sell, so we sell. Okay, so that's your stop loss, and you target 1 to 2. Okay, 1 to 2. So here we have another signal. Okay, below 50, and it goes back up to 50, and it drops back down. Okay, so this candle is our sell. All right, so it's very easy. Can target 1 to 2. Okay, we got that one. All right, and okay, so another signal. Okay, we have another one. Okay, below 50, it goes back up to 50, and it goes back down. Okay, so this is our sell here. Okay, this is where our stop loss is, and you can target 1 to 2 or 1 to 1.5, whatever number you wish. Okay, somewhere there. So okay, we have another signal here, and we get stopped out. Okay, you're not gonna win all the time. Okay, so for buy, it's the opposite. You want the Hull Suite to be green, and for the RSI to go below 50. Okay, below 50, and it goes back up to 50. Okay, so here and here, it goes back up to 50, so that's your buy. All right, so you buy here. Your stop loss is the ATR band, and you can target 1 to 2 or 1 to 1.5. Okay, so let's see. Okay, we have another signal here. Okay, so it goes below 50, and it goes back up to 50, and the Hull Suite is green. All right, so that's our buy. Stop loss is the band. All right, so it's very easy. Okay, if you like the video, please subscribe and comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thanks.